read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Social, emotional and language development. Expected learning outcome. The student is expected to sing poem and demonstrate enjoyment through facial expressions and body movements. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long, all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. The people on the bus go chat, chat, chat. The children on the bus bump up and down, up and down, up and down. I hope so that you all enjoyed today's lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.